Call. Let me quickly introduce our guests. Our next set of panelists that are joining us this evening. I have Dr. Jeenam Shah, consultant interventional pulmonologist at the Wockhardt Hospital in Mumbai Central in Mumbai. I have Dr. Vikrant Shah, consulting physician, intensivist and infection disease specialist, also from Mumbai, the Zen Multispeciality Hospital that is in Chembur. Depends on the fact that public health hospitals are overwhelmed, also an issue. And then what does one do then?
So basically, yes. So we have got the news that 7 hospitals in Mumbai is also going to be quarantining those patients who have suspected COVID-19. So that is a good step by the government that we have got at least now a hospital which is able to cater to a large number of people. Obviously, Kasturba was always there, but this is a new hospital which has come in. So government obviously is doing its own efforts to start increasing the number of beds in case of an epidemic which increases, the number of patients increases. So we cannot do the same thing which has happened in China and South Korea, obviously because it's a different government sector completely. But yes, whatever Maharashtra and the India government is doing is actually trying to cut down on those transmission cases. So yes, Maharashtra have also started today only. They have been closing down the malls, the gyms, and a lot of other gatherings. So that is actually a positive step towards better healthcare.
All right. So I'm just actually going to quickly open the call lines once again and let our viewers know that you can call in with whatever. Please go ahead, ma'am. If I can just request you to turn down your television set volume, please, because it
Yes.
interferes with the audio.
Yes. Can you tell me what care do people with suppressed immunity or who are on immunosuppressants for a very long time have to take during the COVID-19 outbreak?
Okay. Dr. Jeenam, would you like to take that question, please?
Yes, absolutely. So yes, it has been documented in studies till now that people who are immunosuppressed or patients who are having comorbidities are more likely to suffer from severe COVID infections. So it is the same routine hand hygiene, cough etiquettes are the same thing to be, precautionary ways to be done by the immunosuppressed patient as a routine population. So anyways, when you come in contact with a person who is ill, who is having a symptom of coronavirus disease, please keep a safe distance of 1 meters. That is the same thing. Please keep using your soap and water frequently or a hand sanitizer for alcohol. Those are the standard measures, and always a person who is having a disease or is suspecting to having a disease, keep yourself isolated from the person who is not having a disease. Home quarantine is the treatment, is the prevention right now. That is the thing which is recommended.
All right. All right. I hope that
And when you
answers.
develop symptoms,
Okay.
the first thing you're supposed to do is to consult a doctor.
Okay.
Yes.
Jason, I hope that answers your question. Thank you so much for joining us and calling in. I have another caller joining us from Mumbai. Vijay joining us on the phone line. Good evening. Thank you so much for calling on the last word. Go ahead.
Yeah, hi. I drive an Ola cab.
What is, the Indian solution, since we have, the Indian answer to everything? What is the Indian solution for something like this?
So, as we have discussed already, I feel that social distancing is possible even in India. So, people who have symptoms can definitely isolate themselves from the community. That is the first and foremost step that an infected individual should be doing. Apart from that, we cannot obviously lock down all our cities, all our urban areas as well as rural areas from what the other countries have been doing. But social distancing is something that we can definitely do. Apart from that, we can have good supplies of regular sanitizers as well as masks, which have been in significant depletion in our masks, which I've seen, which we can make the government provide them. That would be really helpful. Apart from that, avoid all kind of social gatherings, avoid all kind of contact with people who are suspecting to having those diseases, something that is going to be the answer.
Right. Dr. Jeenam Shah and Dr. Vikrant Shah, thank you so much for joining us tonight on The Last Word. And thank you to all our viewers.